Okay, how do you turn in the assignment into Google Classroom? Okay, first of all, what you need is the camera, and the way you find it is these right here are the apps that you use most often. In this case, I'm gonna be using the camera app, so you might want to put the camera in here, so you don't have to look for it every time you need it. Okay, so search and then type in camera. There it is. And the way you put it from here to here is you tap on the here, and you have to use both fingers. So if I two fingers, then it gives me the option pin to shelf or app information. If you click on pin to shelf, it'll come over here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here, and there it is. So every time you need the camera app is available for you right there. Okay, so what you do is select camera app, and then what you do is you take your paper, your work, and put it in here. Okay, now I don't know if you noticed, but the paper it looks like backwards. Okay, so what you do is um, you go to settings and you need to change it. Now if you look at this, it will look like normal. Now the idea is I don't want the picture like that. I want most of your work to be the picture. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in there that's not necessary for the work. So what I need to do is get closer and closer and closer. Okay, right about there, and then click on photo, and then the camera will take the picture. Okay, so I'm gonna have it right about here, and there you go, right here. Okay, sorry, it's hard to take the picture and take video at the same time. Now if you look in here, that is the picture that I took. Now what I want you to notice is most of the picture is my work. Okay, there's this part that is not necessary, but it's very little work. So the picture, 90% of your picture, about 90% is supposed to be the work. Okay, you don't have to save the picture. The Chromebook will save it. It will give you the date and the time, and then that's how you find it. So shrink this. Now go to Google Classroom. Let me put in here. There it is. Use two fingers. It's not moving. Okay, so let me search. There it is. Click using two fingers, and then pin to shelf, and there you go. Now go to Google Classroom. Pick the class that you want to upload the work. Okay, so click the class, and then pick the assignment where you want to turn it in. So let's assume you want to turn it in. This is the name of the assignment. If you click on the name of the assignment, it's going to take you this window. Okay, now let me take out the what I have turned in right now. When you click on the name of the assignment, is gonna one of the options is gonna give you is add or create. If you click add or create, Go to Google Drive. Now go to the options you have, click on upload. Go to my drive. Actually go to browse, and then it takes you to your drive. If you click on recent, you're gonna see the picture that I just took right about here. So click on it. If you have more than one picture, hit Control and click on the other ones, and you can trim in. In this case, I only have one of them. Give it a couple of seconds, and you're gonna see that picture's right here. Now you have to hit submit. I don't know why mine says resubmit, but it's submit, and then verify you want to turn it in. Give it a couple of seconds. You can see the pictures that I turn in right now. And here's the picture that I turn in. Okay. Uh, the reason why I like to use Google Classroom is because it organizes the work. If you email it to me and then I check it on the weekend, your picture might be 2 or 3 days behind. Okay, the good thing about Trinity using Google Classroom is Google Classroom organizes by folder. So all the periods, one period, and all the assignments, one period. Okay? Thank you. Have any questions? Make sure you ask me.